I really thought, ladies and gentlemen, I really thought we were going to beat the timer for the shorts for 1542 and 1543. This is beat the clock. This should go fast. Yes, Linda, we're never ready. What the hell is this? Oh! Son of a... Okay.
Sup, ladies?
Interesting. What interesting.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies?
There we go. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to beat the clock on that one. Huh. So we got a ghost fishing, we got a dog halfway surfing off the dock. We got another ghost holding up a plank, a squirrel. This is a crazy dock party. I don't know, Linda. I don't know if we're ready for all this craziness here.
Sup, ladies? I have the power!
There we go. There we go.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies?
Let's see, what am I missing here? Oh. Let's just do that.
Holy
Do
crap.
this. Ah, crap, we're already over 3 minutes.
Sup, ladies?
Damn.
That's what I'm talking about.
Well, there goes that. Oh boy, mud. I'm not doing mud on this now. Even though we're already over 3 minutes, I'm going to save mud for its own level. So have a good one, folks. Catch you in the next one.